Okay, so today we'll be looking at the topic weight management. Weight management under the subject mathematics. Okay, what is the meaning of weight? Weight management tells us how heavy a thing is. Okay, when anything you're having on with you, maybe whatsoever thing you might be having, it should be able to tell you how heavy or how light that thing is. Okay, and then it says weight is measured in grams and kilograms. When you want to measure, when a weight is to be measured, it's either through grams or through kilograms. All light objects are measured in grams. Objects like feathers, exercise books, spoons, pencils, balls, duster, rulers, and the rest of it. All items are measured in what? In grams. Okay, and why the other kilogram is objects that are heavy, okay, are measured in kilograms. Objects like maybe when you go to a shop, maybe when mommy takes you to a shop where frozen foods are sold, okay, you see a measurement tool there which is used in measuring that particular item that is bought. Okay, that is when they now ascertain the price of that particular thing that was actually gotten. Okay, so we said grams, objects that are light are measured with grams, in grams. Okay, and then objects that are heavy are measured in kilograms. Okay, all right. So another word for weight is called the mass. It's called what? The mass. If I don't want to make use of if I don't want to make use of the weight here, I might make use of what? Mass here. Do you understand? Yes, that's another name for weight. Okay, and then we want to look at things used in measuring weight. What are the things that can be used in measuring weight? One, we said it is balance scale. Okay, this is it here, balance scale. And then we said it is used to measure materials. Okay, it is also used to compare mass or weight of two objects. This is it here. I have the diagram with me. Can you see it? This is it here. Okay, this is it here. And if it's not very clear, I can show you through your math textbook. Okay, this is the balance scale here. Can you see it properly? Good. That is the balance scale there. It is used to measure materials. It's also used to compare mass, which is the weight, either mass or weight, either of the both we want to use of two objects. Okay, you can see this here. This place and this other pattern and this other pattern here. Okay, any object are laid on it. So if one is heavier than the other, the one that is very heavy will go down while the one that is light will go up. Do you understand? Do you get it? Are you confused? I said, okay, something like this. Maybe we have a thing like this. A thing like this. Okay, and then you have one here, and then another. Okay, if this is having object that is very heavy, okay, and the object here is lighter, when they are laid on it, just like a plate, when they are laid on it, you discover that the one that is carrying the heavy object goes down, and then the other one that is carrying a lighter object goes up. Okay, that's to show you which of it is heavier and which is light. Do you understand? And then the second one will have bathroom scale. Yes, these ones will have them at home, or maybe sometimes you see this these northern men, they walk around with it. If you just want to discover or find out your weight, you can just, when you stand on it, this is how it looks like. It looks like something like this. Can you see it? Good. This is how it is. So if you want to know, if you want to weigh yourself, to know your weight or your mass, okay, when you stand on it, and then you see that the tick goes round, and then once it stops, it rates from 0 to 100, okay, from 0 to 100. So it could be that your weight might be 50 or 40. So with that you are able to know that okay, this is your mass or this is your weight. Do you get? And then the third one we said spring balance. Said a spring balance has a spring fixed at one end with a hook to carry an object at the other end. This is it. Let me show you how the picture looks like so that I'm able to explain to you better. At least I drew this one very bold so that you can be able to see it clearly. Have you seen it? Good. That is how it is. And then this one here, this is the spring. It's a spring made with iron, okay? When you want to ascertain if an object is heavy, okay, you hang it on, you hang that object on the spring here, okay, and then this is hung on the wall or whatever. Maybe a nail is already fixed on the wall, okay. So you just hang the spring balance there, and then the object you hang it on the spring itself, and then you see the counting. Okay, let me show you here. You see this where I put some countings here, maybe measurement on a ruler. You see some lines here. You start from 0, okay? It starts from 0, and then you get it that once that object is laid on the spring, you discover that it will now display on it. It will display on it something like this. Something like this. Okay? Something like this. And this is the spring here. This is the spring here where you hang the objects. Okay? And then it has something like this at the middle of it. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw the other line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you understand? The same thing is done here. So the object hang on this the object hang on the spring here will then ascertain. It will show here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. To ascertain the mass or the weight of that object when it is hung on the spring. Do you understand? Yes. Said we have 3 things used in measuring weight. Number 1, we said we have the scale, the balance scale, okay, which is a very good example. This is it. Can you see this? This is a balanced scale, okay. Let's say I add objects on it. Can you see now? Because why is this one down? Why is this one up? Because it's carrying heavy objects, okay. That is why it is down, and this is very light, okay. A balanced scale can never, you can get it when it's equal. You can get this kind of shape when the both containers are carrying the same weight or mass. Do you get? If this one is heavy and this one is heavy, you notice, you find out that the balance scale will be like this. Do you understand? But when one is carrying a very heavy object, you discover it becomes like this. It's no longer as it is. Do you understand? Do you get it? So this is what is called a balanced scale. A very good example and very easier for you to understand it. Do you get? Good. So that is it. And then in number 2 we said Bethel scale. Okay, we see that most of us will have it in our hands. So, and if you want to, now that you are at home now, I know most of us would have added a lot of weight. So for us to be able to know what we are weighing, okay, we just stand on the bedroom scale and then we see. At least you tell mommy that you want to notice, you want to find out your weight at this particular time. You stand on it. Most of us will be weighing like 80, 70. You have consumed a lot. You understand? So that's for the bedroom scale. And then for the spring balance, this is what I drew here for you, just to cite an example. This is the spring where the object is hanged, and then this is the measurement of it. It tells you what that object in particular is weighing. Do you get? So that is that for the weight measurement. we are done for the length measurement. Now we are on the weight measurement. So if you have any reservations, okay, if you have any reservations, when I come around, when I come to your house, you can let me know of it so that we're able to tackle the questions together. Okay, but for the meantime, this is it.